My name is Rylan Nelson. I live here in Fernie, BC, and my business is BeyondBNB. We're a vacation rental management company. So we are a very high-paced business. We have guests checking in and out. We have a limited time frame to turn over the property. So we have three vehicles that are used for different things. Kia is our daily driver, the E-Transit, which is our mobile storage unit and ability to move larger items. And then we have the Audi e-tron, which is more on the business side of things, getting to meetings and going longer ranges to our different communities that we operate in Vermeer and Kimberley. So we do a lot of driving with our vehicles every day, and that does put a lot of wear and tear on vehicles. We have a pretty tight profit margin in this business. Overall, there's definitely a decrease in cost. When you consider maintenance, downtime, and fuel, the electric vehicles are saving us money. With our short trips that we typically do, there's no range issues, even with reduced range in the winter that you see with electric vehicles. We're still only needing to charge them, maybe once a week, even though we're using them all day, every day. I can remember the days when we were using gas vehicles and, we'd have to go in for an oil change, and I'd have to go in for new brakes and all these different mechanical things that are in these internal combustion engines that we don't have any of that downtime anymore. But our staff really enjoy driving the electric vehicles. Not only do they like the fact that they are electric and sustainable vehicles, but they really like driving them. They're fun to drive. They accelerate quickly. They decelerate smoothly with the regenerative braking. And we've actually recently started allowing our staff to utilize the electric vehicles outside of work for their personal use to help them cut down on their fuel costs. I definitely can't see us going back to using any gas vehicles in this business.